Okay, got a bit of a heavy bale here today. I think she's gonna pop some wheelies. Well, I know she is, because well, I've got in the camera, haven't I? Can't put the camera in a very good place. How's that? There you go. I'll have to do. I've only got 4% battery, so wish me luck. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall over. Yeah, instant. Naughty horses, and they got out. Only a little bit past the Devon field, that's good. That feeder needs repairing, it's a little bit broken. At least it's light. I don't, one of the rams on the front loader doesn't leaks quite a bit, so I don't use it very often. My brother doesn't use it very often as well. That was the only time we put the silage bale on the front, when we did that one video. We put hay bales on the front, and that's fine. It's mostly the front axle that's a bit sketchy. Alright, need to get these buggers back in. Shush. Oh, how am I going to do this? I'm going to go around there and get them back in. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. See you next time. There we go, they're back in. Walked back in pretty easily, so yeah, we're just on holiday. I don't like horses, I think it's such a mess of the fields. I like cows and, well, I don't like sheep, but I like them better than horses. Well, not sure actually, they're both about the same. So I don't like electric fences, because they just look ugly. Hello. I know what you're doing. You're on holidays, going to see your friends. Yeah, can't wait just for summer when all this is back grass. with no horses in there, so the grass can grow. Bye boy.